Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of exam preparation and sharing proven strategies that will help you achieve academic success. Whether you're a student in high school, college, or pursuing further education, these tips will guide you towards obtaining good grades and reaching your full potential. Before we jump into the strategies, it's important to emphasize the significance of proper planning and organization. Preparation is key to success when it comes to exams. So, let's get started. Understand the exam format. To excel in any exam, it's crucial to thoroughly understand the format and requirements. Review the syllabus, exam guidelines, and any sample questions or past papers available. This will give you a clear idea of what to expect and help you tailor your study plan accordingly. Develop a study schedule. Creating a study schedule is essential for effective exam preparation. Allocate specific time slots for each subject, and be sure to balance your study sessions with breaks to avoid burnout. Consistency and discipline are key. Break down the material. Instead of cramming information, break down the study material into manageable chunks. Create an outline or study guide for each topic, focusing on key concepts, definitions, and examples. This will help you understand the material deeply and retain information more effectively. Utilize different study techniques. Everyone has their own learning style, so experiment with various study techniques to find what works best for you. Some popular methods include active reading, summarizing information in your own words, creating flashcards, and practicing with past exams or sample questions. Seek clarification and support. Don't hesitate to seek clarification from your teachers, professors, or classmates if you encounter challenging concepts. Form study groups or participate in online forums to discuss and exchange knowledge. Collaborative learning can be incredibly beneficial. Take care of yourself. Remember, your physical and mental well-being greatly impact your performance. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious meals, and engage in regular exercise to keep your mind and body in peak condition. Take breaks, practice relaxation techniques, and maintain a positive mindset throughout your exam preparation. Practice time management. Develop strong time management skills to ensure you allocate sufficient time for each subject and revise adequately. Prioritize tasks, set realistic goals, and avoid procrastination. Effective time management will reduce stress and increase productivity. Review and revise. Regularly review and revise your study material to reinforce your understanding and retention. Plan revision sessions leading up to the exam, focusing on areas of weakness. Practice active recall by testing yourself with quizzes or explaining concepts to someone else. Use visual aids. Visual aids, such as diagrams, charts, and graphs, can be powerful tools for understanding complex concepts. Use colors, symbols, and visual representations to help you visualize and remember information more effectively. Teach someone else. Host. One of the most effective ways to solidify your understanding of a topic is by teaching it to someone else. Whether it's a study partner, a family member, or even a stuffed animal, explaining concepts out loud forces you to organize your thoughts and reinforce your knowledge. Practice active listening. When attending lectures or participating in study groups, practice active listening. Take comprehensive notes, ask questions, and engage in discussions. Actively engaging with the material will help you grasp concepts more deeply and retain information. Take mock exams. Simulate exam conditions by taking mock exams or timed practice tests. This will familiarize you with the format, build your confidence, and highlight areas where you need additional preparation. Analyze your performance, learn from your mistakes, and adjust your study plan accordingly. Stay motivated. Maintaining motivation throughout your exam preparation is essential. Set clear goals, reward yourself for milestones achieved, and envision the benefits of achieving good grades. Surround yourself with positive affirmations, motivational quotes, or inspiring stories to keep your spirits high. Eliminate distractions. Create a conducive study environment by minimizing distractions. Find a quiet space, turn off notifications on your phone or computer, and use productivity apps or website blockers if necessary. Focus and concentration are crucial for effective learning. Utilize online resources. Take advantage of the vast array of online resources available. Online tutorials, educational websites, video lectures, and interactive quizzes can supplement your studying and provide additional explanations and practice opportunities. Prioritize revision. In the days leading up to the exam, prioritize revision over learning new material. Focus on reviewing key concepts, formulas, and important details. Consolidate your knowledge and ensure you're well prepared for the topics that are likely to be tested. Stay positive and manage stress. Exam periods can be stressful, but it's important to maintain a positive mindset. Practice stress management techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or exercise. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends and family who can provide encouragement and help you stay motivated. Learn from past experiences. Host. Reflect on your previous exam experiences. Analyze what strategies worked well for you and which ones didn't. Learn from your mistakes, adapt your study techniques, and apply the lessons you've learned to improve your future performance. Remember, success in exams is not just about the final grades but also about the knowledge and skills gained along the way. Stay focused, persevere, and believe in yourself. You've got this. Thank you for joining us today as we explored effective strategies for exam success. We hope these tips will help you prepare and achieve the grades you desire. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more educational content.